Before buying a grout and tile cleaner, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Buyers often complain about cleaners that promise results but end up disappointing. The real differences lie in effectiveness, ease of use, and price. Product number 1, Clean-Ease Grout Ease. Let's kick things off with the Clean-Ease Grout Ease Super Heavy-Duty Grout Cleaner. Priced at $21.95, this cleaner caught my attention because it's labeled as a bestseller, and honestly, it lives up to the hype. If you want a powerful solution to tackle stubborn stains, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Clean-Ease has a pro-grade formula that effectively eliminates grime and restores the original beauty of your tiles and grout. It works effortlessly, saving you the expense of hiring professionals. With over 14,400 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, many users rave about how easy it is to use. Just spray, wait a bit, and wipe away. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make, especially if your grout has seen better days. Now, some people complained about the scent being a bit strong. Here's the thing though, if you're working in a well-ventilated area, it's definitely manageable. Plus, the results are worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and effective solution for tough stains, but skip this one if you're sensitive to strong cleaning odors. For the money, it delivers great value. Now, if Clean-Ease's strong scent bothers you, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 2, WSRYYCC Steam Cleaner. Next up is the WSRYYCC Portable Steam Cleaner, priced at $59.99. What stood out to me was its versatility and the fact that it heats up in just 15 seconds. If you're looking for a deep clean without harsh chemicals, this is definitely worth a serious look. With a 1.25-liter capacity, it allows for extended cleaning without constant refilling. The 6 adjustable steam levels mean you can customize the intensity based on the surface you're tackling. This is perfect for everything from bathroom tiles to your car's upholstery. With over 2,000 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's clear this cleaner is a favorite among users. However, some users found the cleaning hose a bit short, which can limit your movement. But honestly, if you're cleaning tight spaces, this is still a handy tool that gets the job done effectively. This is perfect if you want a multi-purpose cleaner that's safe for your family and pets. Skip this one if you need a more traditional cleaner or if you prefer a chemical-based product. For the price, it offers great versatility and cleaning power. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more budget-friendly choice. Product number 3, Zep Grout Cleaner. The Zep Grout Cleaner and Brightener is next on the list, coming in at a wallet-friendly $8.98. It caught my eye because of its strong reputation for restoring stained grout without heavy scrubbing. If you're after a powerful yet easy solution, this is one to consider. This cleaner uses a professional-strength acidic formula that effectively removes deep stains from grout, making your lines look fresh and new again. The application is straightforward, just let it sit for 3 minutes and then wipe it away. This is perfect for those who don't want to spend hours scrubbing. With a 4.4-star rating from over 10,200 reviews, many users appreciate how little effort it takes to revitalize their tiles. Now, some users did mention that it's not very effective on grout that's been neglected for years, which can be a deal-breaker for some. But here's the thing, if you maintain your grout regularly, this product will work wonders. This is perfect for you if you want an effective, no-fuss solution for maintaining your grout. Skip this one if your grout is heavily stained or you're looking for a miracle fix. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if you're looking for something that tackles not just grout but also stubborn mold and mildew, the next product is a must-see. Product number 4, Active Mold Stain Remover Gel. The Active Mold Stain Remover Gel is up next, priced at $19.95. I was intrigued by its promise to quickly eliminate mold stains, especially in those hard-to-reach areas. If you're dealing with stubborn mildew, this might be just what you need. This gel cleaner is designed for various surfaces, including rubber gaskets and bathroom grout. It's a powerful solution that works in minutes, and since it's a gel, it sticks to vertical surfaces without running, which is a big plus. The formula is made from simple ingredients, making it gentle yet effective. With a 4.1-star rating from 27,600 reviews, many users praise its fast action. However, some users found that they had to let it sit longer than the recommended time for tough stains. But honestly, if you're patient and follow the instructions, it tends to deliver fantastic results. This is perfect for you if you want a quick solution for mold and mildew without harsh chemicals. Skip this one if you prefer a spray cleaner or if you need something for a large surface area. For the price, it provides excellent cleaning power. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more hands-on, the next product is a great tool that can complement your cleaning efforts. Product number 5, Mildew Grout Cleaning Brush. Finally, we have the Mildew Grout Cleaning Brush priced at just $6.98. I love that this brush is designed specifically for grout cleaning, making it a handy tool for anyone looking to tackle those pesky stains. If you prefer a manual approach, this is worth considering. The V-shaped design of this brush gets into those tight grout lines easily, and the stiff bristles are tough enough to scrub away dirt without damaging your surfaces. It's ergonomically designed so it feels comfortable to use for longer cleaning sessions. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,800 reviews, users appreciate its effectiveness and durability. Now, some users mention that it requires a bit of elbow grease for tougher stains. But I'll be real with you, that's kind of expected with any manual cleaning tool. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable brush for regular grout maintenance. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick chemical solution. For the price, it's a fantastic value for a quality cleaning tool. To wrap up, we've covered 5 fantastic options for grout and tile cleaning. Cleanies Grouties for heavy-duty stains, WSRYYCC Steam Cleaner for versatile deep cleaning, ZEP for budget-friendly maintenance, Active for mold and mildew removal, and Mildew for manual scrubbing. Choose what fits your cleaning needs best.